Looking for the best laundry stain removers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 laundry stain removers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Zout Triple Enzyme Formula Laundry Stain Remover. Uses enzymes to break down stains and works particularly well on food-based stains. Very good at removing stains on whites. Best if clothes are washed not long after treating them. An enzyme-based stain remover that is great on food stains. Spray bottle has inconsistent reliability. At number 2. Zout Advanced Stain Remover Gel. Gel formula sticks to clothes and removes tough stains. Safe on colors and in any water temperature. Doesn't leave behind any residue. A very affordable stain remover that is still great at removing tough stains. Some had issues with the sprayer. At number 1. OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover. 5 types of stain fighters for maximum efficacy. Works on a variety of tough stains, including grass, blood, grease and oil, food, and more. Treats clothes immediately even if clothes are laundered days later. A tried and true product that can remove even the toughest dried-on stains in just one treatment. Some aren't fond of the fragrance of this product. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.